this is a great deal. This is going to be the best of the best. My DIYs will take you no longer than 3 minutes. I've got easy tricks for you. I really like these silver dollar leaves. Use what you have at home. It is so simple to make a pumpkin pillow. All you need is a blanket. Dollar Tree sells these, or use what you have at home and roll the two ends up towards the center, hot dog style, and then tie it into a knot. I find it helps to use a loose knot, and then I'm going to take the ends and fold it up over the top and tuck it into the opposite corners, and this will give you that pumpkin shape. It looks like a magazine. My two favorite items to buy from here are the silver dollar plants as well as some pumpkins. Keep it simple. You can combine these together for beautiful tablescapes, and I put all my pumpkins on it, and you're done. Look how pretty this is. It's really nice. I don't need another pumpkin, but these are cute. These were so elegant in store, and I really liked them. I really love the Dollar Tree lantern and Dollar Tree picture frames. In just a couple of seconds, you can elevate a space that was maybe unloved to decorate it for the season. I would love to know in the comments how much you decorate for fall. Do you have a bin or a container? I just have one bin that I keep in my storage unit that I reuse from year to year. This Dollar Tree all-purpose lavender cleaner. It is a natural product and it smells great. It works really good for cleaning furniture. Fall candles have really been awesome this year, and the containers are really pretty. Tree canvas art are great too. Keep it simple and keep it elegant. They have brand new Halloween candles. Check this out. Haven't seen Dollar Tree bleeding tapered candles. These are so cool. These have a long-lasting burn time too, which is great. I also saw that they had battery-operated candles if you don't want to go the actual candle route. They have lots of new products in store. These lanterns I really thought were fun. Hang these from your light fixtures. These look like floating candles. These are just over $1 a piece, and they look awesome. I just grabbed 1 or 2 things from the Halloween section. And don't forget to follow your heart.